MET 202 Geometry. The name of chapter is The Sphere. Up to last lecture, we have studied two chapters, the plane and the right line. Today, we shall start the new chapter, the sphere. Today, we shall see only definition and equation of sphere. Chapter is sphere. Then we shall see chapter content. In the chapter what we have studied, we have to study the definition and equation of the sphere, equation of the sphere through 4 given points, plane section of a sphere, intersection of two sphere, and equation of circle and sphere through given a circle. Today only we shall see definition and equations of sphere. Definition. Now we shall define what is a sphere. A sphere is the locus of a point which remains at a constant distance from a fixed point. Means we shall consider one fixed point and then locus of a points which are at a constant distance from this fixed point is called as a sphere. The fixed point is called as a center of the sphere and the constant distance is called as the radius of the sphere. Okay? Means a set of points which lie at a constant distance from the center of the sphere is called as a sphere. Means fixed point is called as a center and that constant distance is called as a radius of the sphere. Now equation of sphere. There are different forms of equation of sphere. Standard form, center radius form, general form, equation of sphere passing through the diameter like this. Now standard form of equation of sphere is similar to the equation of circle. We know that x square plus r square is equals to a square is the equation of circle with center at origin 0, 0 and radius is a. Similarly, sphere has a center, suppose origin that is 0, 0, 0 and r is a radius, then equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square is equals to r square. This equation of sphere is called as a standard form of equation of sphere. Here center is origin and radius is r. Now we shall see a center radius form. For center radius form, we shall assume that ABC be the center of the sphere and R be the radius of a given sphere. Then we shall consider P, X, Y, Z is any point which lie on the sphere. Then distance of any point on the sphere from its center is the radius of the sphere. By distance formula, what is the distance between the center ABC and point XYZ? By distance formula, it is the square root of x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equals to r square, or is equals to r, and then squaring both sides we get x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equals to r square. Now this equation is called as a equation of sphere in center radius form. In this equation, this ABC is the center of the sphere and r is the radius of the sphere. You can observe that if in this equation, if we consider center of the sphere as a origin, that is A is 0, B is 0 and C is 0, then this equation become x square plus y square plus z square is equals to r square, and which is a standard equation of the sphere. Now simplifying this equation, we get x square plus y square plus z square minus 2ax minus 2by minus 2cz plus in bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus r square is equals to 0. This is called as a equation of given sphere. But it is not necessary to remember this. We shall consider this equation. Thus the sphere whose center is at the point ABC and whose radius is r is the set xyz such that x square plus y square plus z square minus 2ax minus 2by minus 2cz plus a square plus b square plus c square minus r square is equals to 0. Now here we have to note some characteristics of the equation of sphere. If we observe the equation A, then what are the coefficients of x, y, z? You have to observe. And what is the degree of this equation? It is a second degree equation. Means first characteristic of equation of sphere is it is a second degree equation in x, y, z. That means equation of sphere is a second degree equation in x, y, z. This is very important for MCQ. Second characteristics is the coefficient of x square, y square, z square are equal. Here you can say that x square, y square, z square. In this case, the coefficient is 1. There may be any constant k. And the product term x, y, y, x, z and zx are absent. Okay. What are the characteristics of the equation of sphere? It is the second degree equation x, y, z. The coefficients of x square, y square and z square are equal. And third, the product term x, y, y, z and zx are absent. These are the characteristics of equation of sphere. Now we shall see general equation of sphere. To general equation of sphere is given by ax square plus ay square plus az square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Now the equation B is the equation of sphere in general form where u, v, w and d are parameters satisfying the condition that u square plus v square plus w square minus ad is greater than or equal to 0. Now if equation of sphere is in general form, then what are the center and radius of the sphere? Suppose equation of sphere is given as in this equation B, then the equation B can be written as in this form. Okay. And after rewriting, this shows that if we compare with this equation, center radius form, this shows that minus u by a minus v by a minus w by a is the center of the sphere. And radius is Okay, this is the center of the sphere, and the value square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus ad. In here u square plus v square plus w square minus ad is greater than 0. Therefore, the locus of the equation B is thus a sphere if u square plus v square plus w square minus ad is greater than equal to 0. Now here the center is minus u by a minus v by a minus w by a, and radius is square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus ad upon mod of a. Example, find the center and radius of the sphere whose equation is ax square plus ay square plus az square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. This is equation of sphere in general form. If equation of sphere is in general form, you have to remember its radius is u square plus v square plus w square upon a square minus d upon a raised to half. That means this radius is written as 1 by a u square plus v square plus w square minus ad raised to half, or it can be written as square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d divided by a square, and center is minus u by a minus v by a minus w by a. Okay. Now you have to remember that in this equation a coefficient of x square, y square, z square is taken as a. If this coefficient is 1, then what is the center? The center is minus u minus v minus w. At the time of solving the problem, we shall convert the equation in the form such that coefficient of x square plus y square plus z square is a unity, that is 1, and therefore in such cases the center of the sphere is given as a is 1, this will become minus u minus v minus w, and radius become under square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. In general equation of sphere, already we have said that general equation of sphere is ax square plus ay square plus az square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 0. Then this equation is written in this form. Okay, and means we shall write the equation as already I have told you that taking coefficient of x square, y square and z square as a unity. That means general equation, more general equation of sphere is taken as x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. And in this case, as already I have told that if equation is in this form, the center is minus u minus v minus w, and radius is square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. That means if we take square root of this term, it will become a radius of the sphere. Okay, with these equations of sphere, we shall stop our today's lecture. Now what we have seen, I am repeating again. Sphere is a locus of point which lie at a constant distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called as a center of the sphere, and constant distance is called as a radius of the sphere. Equation of sphere in standard form means center at origin and radius is r is x square plus y square plus z square is equals to r square. Equation of sphere in center radius form is if ABC is the center of the sphere and r is the radius of the sphere, then equation of sphere is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equals to r square. And general equation of a sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. In this case, center of the sphere is minus u minus v minus w, and a radius is square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Okay, thank you. Remember these things.